Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am going to make some chicken foot soup. You see this spot up on my head? I am making enough soup for Detroit and Michigan. Actually, I moved from Detroit and I'm living in Michigan now. So I make a big pot of soup. And I went to the store and I get all of my things them. Chicken foot soup. So I will show you what I cook today. This big pot of soup here. So anyway, come with me now on the journey and see what I do. So this pot here, trust me. Well, I'll show you everything we get today. Watch out. Avocado, you know. Avocado. Chicken foot. Pumpkin noodle. Pumpkin noodle. Carrot. Short chop. Scallion on thyme. Scallion. Nice piece of yellow yam right here. And cocoa. And today I will be using butternut squash from a pumpkin. So there you have it right here. Yellow yam, carrot, pumpkin noodle, cocoa, chocho, scallion, thyme, chicken foot, some people call it chicken finger, and also my avocado. So let's get the ball in. Oh my goodness. The knife broke. The knife popped, you know. Chocho, man. And wash and this time. And this is cocoa. Look what a cocoa look like. This is minty cocoa, you see? Now our commander cocoa. Yes. I'm gonna peel this. This is how you peel it, you know? Just like that. This also can roast, you know, nice when it roasts. Just roast this on a hot ashes when you're in that country. Little boy. Cocoa in a soup, man. Nice. Yes, sir. So today is the right day for the soup to, you know. Rainy day. soup time. Chicken feet. Yes, man. Chicken feet. So I'm gonna want a few carrots too. Carrot up it in, right? Yes. Oh, carrot. I'm gonna clean up this. So wash these carrots too. Then a yam. That's what the yam look like. Pretty good. Pretty decent good. Now, this is a good piece of yam. Take a good look at this. This is a good piece of nias. You know what nias mean? Real yellow Lucy yam. Peel is like that. Yep. Nice piece of yam. So when I've done everything, I'm gonna wash, and one more thing to prepare the chicken feet. You peel yellow yam. When the yam's so good, you don't want to waste nothing, you know. You want to get every ounce off of it. Get everything prepped so that when it's time. So you see how I prepare my soup. Right, so check a look. Take a look in this. This is what I prepare everything. So I'm gonna wash them now and cut them a little smaller in pieces. And then next thing is my chicken feet. We're gonna prepare that. With the peeling and the pumpkin and everything, this is what I do with it. I use it for my fertilizer in my garden bed. Yeah. This is my fertilizer for my garden bed. Yes. Here you go, all that peel. Right now I'm gonna prepare the chicken feet. So, see them? So you need a scissors. So you're gonna cut off all the nails. These now, put them in the pot. out. Now I'm gonna cut up all my vegetables now, my carrot and everything here now. My chocho and all this stuff. Yeah. Real soup today. Real chicken foot soup today. Finish cut up these, I'm going to wash them. So I'm having everything prepped and ready, so as the chicken foot cook, put everything in. The pumpkin gonna just eventually boil out, you know. Have it. So I'm going to prep this, you know, scallion. Oh, that's scallion. It's a big pot of soup, you know, so fine. Everything, we get some garlic here. All these wash. All these gonna wash and put in the pot. Lots of garlic. Lots of garlic. This I'm gonna take with some water. A little piece of garlic, good for blood pressure. So here go all my ingredients that are already cut up and stuff. So I'm gonna wash these and then just wait until the chicken foot ready and I put these in it. All right. Okay. Check me out over here now. I'm gonna put in all these vegetables here. just gonna stir and boil to a mention. In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare my dumpling and my yam soup. You know, I want it to boil. So I put in my scallion and thyme. I'm not gonna put in this yet. This is my yam and my cocoa. So I'm gonna wait a little bit, you know. Check out this spear, man. Check out this spear. I eat piece right now. Marvelous. Check it out. Listen me good. There is no way you're gonna cook chicken foot soup and not put flour dumpling in it. Although we are trying to stay away from the bleach flour, but guess what happened? You have to put little dumpling in it, man. 2 little spinners of it in the chicken soup. So if you don't understand what I just said, whatever, when you're making Jamaican soup, real Jamaican chicken soup or chicken foot soup, you have your flour dumpling in it. You have to have flour dumpling. You use the all-purpose flour, make it. This is what I'm going to do now. This is all-purpose flour. So you put some in a pot. But now a pudding pan. Right? I do not have any pudding pan. So put that right there like that. And if you want a little pinch of salt in there like that. Remember now, make sure your hand them clean when you mix the flour. No long fingernail mix dumpling. You must always cut your fingernail them and make sure your fingernail them clean. So you mix it up like a so. This is how you mix flour dumpling. So I knead up this and put it down until it's time, you know. You know, it's like mixing mortar, you know, if it's spoiled, you can always put a little more flour in it to get it back. So, this is how you make. A lot of people don't understand. Well, this is how you make the dough for the dumpling. I made it by hand, you know. I made it by hand. And you know, you have to knead it, make it tight, you know. You don't want a soft dumpling. No soft dumpling. So knead it like that. See me? Just like that. Yes, man, get off. So here's the dumpling. Well neat. This is a dumpling right here. Ready to go. Make a few dumpling here now. Here go my dumpling for the soup. All right. So just wait. The dumpling can go in anytime because guess what happened? It can mash up when it cooks. So put them in. Nice butter soup. Meant to see here. My food now. This is my yam and cocoa. This can boil now. Soup here, we're almost ready. 2 pumpkin noodles. Stay here now and simmer down properly. Here go my soup here. That's ready right there. Chicken foot soup. So there you got the chicken feet, yellow yam, chocho, and now I'm gonna let the dumpling out. See there? Nice, huh? Nice. There you go. There you go. Welcome back again, friend. The pot is about to land. I mean, the boat is about to land. Galley run. So plane land. Me check out what I go on and now. See me? Whoa. Nice and rich. Nice and rich. Nice and rich. See there? There you go. Soup ready. The soup ready. No, friend, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like the video, please do subscribe and share. Chicken foot soup, and you know, if you learn something, let me know. You can make it too. It's easy and simple. you know, the weather for it. The rain is falling, so you know, a soup day. Remember now, you can't make your chicken with soup and have no dumpling in it. You have to have dumpling in it. You have to have dumpling, flour dumpling in it. So thanks for watching and have a blessed day.